I am doing acrylic paint and water mix out of Floetrol. So this is just titanium white, Reeves brand. Nice and thin, runny. Okay. And this, let me get my colors. Okay. So this next mix is Phthalo Blue with Mars Black and my new Primary Elements Iridescent Sparkle in a Jar. Let's see if you could, this is True Silver. So this is a new pigment that I'm using and just testing out and seeing what I can come up with. So this is actually very pretty. I'm gonna try and get this in the light so you could see it. Hopefully you can see that, but it's super pretty. I love it. But yeah, so I mixed my Phthalo Blue and my Mars Black, water, and this True Silver pigment. So that's that one. Okay, and then this is Phthalo Blue. And I also added Primary Elements, True Silver. Hopefully you could see that. Okay, so this is again just water. And then I am using my gold from Sastrin Green. And I wanted to really quick just open this up so you guys can see this. I have loads more of these, all different colors, and it's very pretty. You can mix these with Primary Elements Polypore. But today, since I'm doing the Dutch pour, I just wanted to do the water and the acrylic paint like Rinske. So let's put that aside for now. And I'll dive in here. I'm going to cover my base. All right, so we're going to get started. All right. Okay, so I went ahead and covered my canvas. This is an 8x8 in titanium white and water mix. Just going to pop some air bubbles. Okay. So when you're mixing the acrylic paint with just water, you definitely don't want to just squirt in your paint in the cup and then dump a whole bunch of water on it. You want to do it very slowly. So just add a small bit of water, give it a good mix, check your consistency, all that, until you're happy with it. All right, guys, I'm going to switch on the music and do the Dutch pour.